And the glucose put them into a range in the morning that we weren't really happy with.
Yeah.
And so we said, okay, so in certain populations, maybe this isn't the right avenue. And so we took that same population, and instead of doing one night, we did 4 weeks of it and added a little bit of resistance training. So over those 4 weeks, they simply worked out 3 times a week with us. Short, full body exercise regimen. And when we added exercise to this, all of those negative changes went away. So the power of exercise is just huge, and it's going to be the thing driving the momentum of the changes, the physiological changes that we're looking for. And that little bit of protein was perhaps a help. But in all this context, 2 things happen. One of them is that we really were missing what was happening mechanistically. And so we added a technique in order to solve that problem. And one of the things that I learned through graduate school is a technique called microdialysis. And this is a technique where we thread a very small probe underneath your skin into your subcutaneous abdominal adipose tissue. So imagine like pinching your belly fat and a small catheter prick in there, and then you remove the needle and just leave a flexible tube underneath the skin. Yeah. And then we can perfuse fluid in there. So think about saline going into the tissue, and then we can collect what's coming out of there. So we should collect saline, which you put in, plus whatever's coming out of the fat cells. And so we can measure glycerol, which is an indicator of lipolysis in that case. And so we said, let's put these in and have people sleep with them so we can measure all night what's happening to fat metabolism as individuals are asleep.